बुढ़ापे में बदल जाती है। मैं कहता हूं जब तक बुढ़ापा नहीं आता थोड़ी बदतमीजी कर लेते। पान में पुदीना देगा, नाक का नगीना देगा, चिकनी चमेली देगी, चिकना कमीना देगा, चांद में जिधर होके चीर किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अखा।
The participants. We have Netra Madhu. We have Aru Kappaganti. We have Ashwant Balaji. We have Shruti Tripura Sundari. We have Sushant Akiri. We have Surya Akiri. We have Manasvi Gullapalli. We have Aditya Ram Arunachalam. We have Srushti Butte. We have Avani Rangadale. We have Diya Nandakumar. We have Arvind Senthil. Ashwant Balaji, Prajit Balaji, sorry. Vedavarshi Udattu. Mrinal Sancheti. Ananya Gurajapu, Janavi Gurajapu, Aditi Rangade, Prerna Patibandla, Shrikar Patibandla, Bharat Ram, Naresh Ram, Sandra Jose, Sian Jose, Sia Dihenia. We have Nived Nandakumar. We have Lakshya Patel. We have Yogesh Sinichami and Kanai Jadhav and Pranav Jadhav. And we also have Arvind Sendal and Ashwin Sendal, sorry. Suhas Gullapalli.
A very loud applaud, please. Everybody at the back who are shopping, let's give it to these kids of Naples. We also thank their parents, their family.
We would like to thank the parents, the kids for putting up such a spirited performance. Thanks once again. Special thanks to Manjusha Padmesh for helping us with the music.
Thank you, Rekha, for choreographing this 100 years.
Thank you.
So much. Our chief guest for the day, Councilwoman Teresa Hetman, is here with us. She decided to attire in the Indian sari.
1 hour 11
Thank you, you look beautiful. And she wanted to say a few words.
Thank you. On behalf of the city, I want to thank the India Association of Naples for all their volunteers, for bringing the culture and the beauty and the food and the dress and the music and the expression of dance to our community. And I thank you for supporting this event and look forward to seeing you again next year. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We also hope to see you next year as our councilwoman for the Collie County. All the best. Okay, if all the Naples parents want to settle down, and by the time, it's time to thank some of our volunteers, our sponsors, our vendors. Even if my voice doesn't reach them, I want to thank, and I'm going to just go in order that I have the list in front of me. Our coordinator, Anshu Arora. Thank you, Anshu. Did a great job. I think you are all up by past 4 or 5 days. Can the Naples parents please settle down? I'll go ahead with the list. I'm glad everybody was listening to me. We wanted to thank the Indian Cuisine and more, India Palace, the Rala Sweet House, Siam Thai and Sushi, 21 Spices by Chef Asif, the Gujarati Snacks, Big Cow Creamery Ice Cream, Sugarcane Juice by One Stop Drink. I did stop there, it was 2 stops though for me. The Legam Comet India, Lighthouse Charity Food Stall. I think the Lighthouse Charity Food Stall goes entirely to the Lighthouse Children for the Blind. So if you've still not visited that stall, maybe you want to do it one more time. Sai Baba Seva Food Stall, again, it's a charity food stall. Spices of India. We also thank the vendors for the Indian fashions and more. Shelly Henna, Christie Fashions, Elegant Trends, A&H Indian Costume Jewelry, India Fashions, Bombay Bangles, Isha Designs, Sharha Jewelry, Florida Yoga Academy, and the business services, Laika Mopal, DR Holston Builders, the dance troupe, of course, the Sultan Dreams, thank you, Mr. Rajiv Puri. He's also part of the Naples Association account. Trinity Chiropractic, Vishal Pharmacy, SOI Pro, Eyebrow Threading, Boy Scout. We, on behalf of the Naples India Association, we would also like to thank our president, the board members, all the volunteers that have put in maybe 48 hours, 52 hours, 72, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks of extreme hard work to put all this on stage. All the parents who made sure that their children went for the practices, drew them up and down even though they had school.
So we have now, we are ready for our next item actually.
Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you, Rekha.
From cinema songs, we are moving back to pure classical. We have a South Indian classical dance performance by the students of Nitya Sharma. We would like to invite Nitya on stage. She would like to share a few words about this performance. Welcome, Nitya.
Thank you. Bharatanatyam, the dance of the gods, is a dance form that originated in the temples of South India. It is a visual art in which every part of the body is used in a manner to highlight the beauty of the form, including but not limited to the eye, neck, and the shoulders. Bharatanatyam is known for its grace, elegance, purity, tenderness, expression, and sculpturesque poses. Today, it is one of the most popular and widely performed classical dance styles of India. The exquisite costumes and jewelry that you're going to see are custom made. This is a Bharatanatyam presentation set to the Sanskrit song Ekatantaya Vakratundaya. It's sung by Shankar Mahadevan. The song describes Lord Ganesha, who has an elephant's face and is the son of Gauri, Mother Parvati. For you, Ekatantaya Vakratundaya.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि वक्रदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गणेशानाय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यगलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
अनुरागाय ग्रन्थाय गीताय ग्रन्थार्थतन्मये
ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय हृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि ओ सहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you for the wonderful performance, for the authentic classical dance. The participants were Alina Augustin, Aleta Johnson, Eva Augustin, Chitta Sabu, Nandana Gopalakrishnan, and Uma Patel. Thanks once again.
Thank you so much for coming all the way from Fort Myers. Really appreciate it. It was beautiful. Just added to the almost ending colorful glory of the girls.
Yeah, we started with the classical dance and we are almost near the end of our show. But please don't leave because we have one more performance. We have Mr. Surjit who is going to be singing for us today. I think he's going to be rendering some beautiful Hindi songs. Can we please have you on stage, sir?
This also will conclude our programs for the day. You can enjoy the melody, give him any, if you have any songs to sing. And we thank each and every one of you to making our India Fest a big success today. Thank you so much. How about a loud applause for all of us? And the vendors, and the sponsors, the parents, the children, each and every participant. Anu Josh for making sure all the mics are working, all the musicians, Rekha Raj Gopal, Manjusha, Padmesh. Thank you so much for coordinating today's program.
We would now like to hand it over to Mr. Surjit. You're from Cape Coral, right? Okay, so do you...
Lyrics pen.
Okay, 1 second please.
Hello.
How did you hear of the India Fest, Mr. Surjit? I'm so sorry, but even the website calls you just Surjit. So it's a Surjit Chatterjee. So you could relate to the Bangladeshi and Bengal. So you're from Bengal.
Sure, yeah.
So where do you come from? All the way from Cape Coral?
Yeah.
And was there traffic today? Oh man, no wonder. And we do appreciate you coming today.
Thank you, thank
You'd like to tell us more about your songs and music? Can the children on the left side please help with this lyrics? I hope you all enjoyed your day today. Thank you for spending your Saturday with us. Thank you to the Naples India Association for putting this up for us. Melodies are all from Bangladesh, or is it from India? Hindi? Hindi, he said, okay. Not Tollywood, Bollywood, Hollywood. What are the other names that we have? Telugu or the Tollywood? Dr. Mustard, are you around? Can I see you? The president of the association. If you, I can't see you, so on behalf of the association also we thank each and every one of you. It's been a beautiful day, even though it's a little windy, but I think all of us enjoyed the cool breeze.
Can I have a little reverb? Reverb?
So we are going to hand you over. Thank you, Rekha. Thank you, everybody, for being with us today.
Reverb. Okay, forget it. Okay, I'll start with a tribute to our three main singers, which is It's Too Windy, which is Kishore Kumar, Rafi and Mukesh. You can play number one. रिमझिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिमझिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिमझिम गिरे सावन जब घुंघरुओं सी
अब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदे हमारे पल के नमूंदे कैसे देखे सपने नयन सुलग सुलग जाए मन कि आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन चांद मेरा दिल चांदनी हो तुम चांद से है दूर चांदनी कहाँ लौट के आना है यही तुमको जा रहे हो तुम जाओ मेरी जान वैसे तो हर कदम मिलेंगे लोग सनम मिलेगा सच्चा प्यार मुश्किल से हो दिल की दोस्ती खेल नहीं कोई दिल से दिल है मिलता यार मुश्किल से यही तो है सनम प्यार का ठिकाना मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ जो हमारा होता है वो जान से प्यारा होता है मेहमान जो हमारा होता है वो जान से प्यारा होता है ज्यादा की नहीं लालच हमको थोड़े में गुजारा होता है थोड़े में गुजारा होता है बच्चों के लिए जो धरती माँ चलती है हम उस देश के वासी है हम उस देश के वासी है जिस देश में गंगा बहती है होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है जहाँ में सफाई रहती है हम उस देश के वासी है हम उस देश के वासी है जिस देश में गंगा बहती है